What is up, responsible day traders? Today is Tuesday. It's February 2nd. Yeah, yesterday is my mom's birthday. I am Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. So today was pretty good. I actually traded last night and I traded this morning for an hour. I had about a 50-50 win to loss ratio. I did do some playing around with adding that extra contract in. Last night I started with 3 losses. I have a 4 loss and done usually, but I only took 3. Last night I was up 12.25 points. Today I added another 10 points to it. I've actually really been liking that evening trading. It's a little slower. You gotta be ready to be focused on it. During the day, I have a lot of meetings. I have a lot of things scheduled. We're working on building things. So the nighttime is usually my time when I can sit down and be like, all right, what you got for me, market? I have a list of 5 things that I ask myself before I trade. I keep that list right in front of me so I know what mindset I'm going to be in. First one is, did you sleep well? Because if I didn't sleep well, I'm not going to trade well. I'm not going to be a happy person. I will not trade because it's the right thing to do, but I'll trade because I just want to get through it. Number 2, did you schedule for trading today? I have been scheduling time in the evening because I'm done with everything, and it's when the market reopens after dinner a lot of times, except on Sundays. I've been kind of hitting it right around market open. Then the next thing is, are you thinking about something else that needs to be done? Do you have to go to the bathroom? Are you hungry? Are you thirsty? Do you have an email that needs to be answered? Do you have all kinds of things that are wrapping around your brain that are not allowing you to see what the market is telling you? And if that is happening, it's best to take care of those things before, and sometimes that means you just don't trade that day, and that's okay. The next one is, are you stressed about any situation? Am I feelings that will get in the way? And when people say that you're a robot when you trade, I'm sorry, that is an untrue statement. What it is you have emotions, and you just learn to be side by side with them. So some of them you can be side by side with and trade. Some of them you absolutely cannot. If I'm arguing with my children, if I'm upset about another situation, if it just don't feel good, then it's probably not a good idea that I trade, because I'm not going to have my full focus on what I need to focus on. So those type of things, I do have a tapping meditation that I do. I'll do that instead of starting right away. And so I'll do a meditation 30 minutes. And maybe it takes 30 minutes out of what I plan to trade. That 30 minutes is going to make a huge difference. This morning it was a 5-minute tapping. Okay, y'all, seriously, I got this thing down. All right. Sometimes you just got to do it. Put your mind in the right place. Refocus on something else. Focus on your breathing. If you are stressed, don't trade, because it will do nothing but add on to the stress, unless you're at a point in your life where you can learn from your mistakes, okay? Which we should all be for trading. And the last part, guys, is specific to my type of trading. It's, are you ready to listen to the market and what it is telling you through your 3 base charts? I have 3 charts that I use. My mama bear, my papa bear, my baby bear, right? And I'm trading that middle chart. And if I'm not ready to listen to it and I've got my focus looking at all these other charts, then I'm not ready to give the market my full attention, because that means I'm just looking for a reason to enter, even though my trading chart, what I have chosen as my trading chart for that day, isn't showing it to me. So I'm trying to make up trades that really aren't there in front of me. So those are the 5 things that I ask myself every day. Did I sleep well? Did I schedule time for trading? Am I thinking about something else that needs to be done? Am I stressed about any situation? And am I ready to give the market the time and attention it deserves through my personal 3 trading charts? Now, people that work with me, they may not use the same 3 charts that I do, but they work with a 3 chart system. They may be using a smaller scale of them. They may be using a bigger scale of them. Sometimes they just look through them and find what works best for them and trade off those charts. So those are the things that I wanted to share with you today. Let's go ahead and take a look at yesterday's trades. I started with 3 losing trades. I actually managed these 3 losing trades pretty well, considering that I have each stop at 2.5 points, and I'm entering with 3 contracts. So managed those pretty well. Took a short, tried to take another short and thinking, oh, maybe I'm wrong, and took another short, got stopped out, turned right around, took the long, added on a contract, took that contract out, added another contract here, got back out here. Took a long, got stopped out, 2 contracts, obviously, or 2 separate entries. Then took 2 entries right here. You can see them right there. 2 entries right there. Took my exits on the way up. For that, 12 entries, 6 losses, 6 wins. So 50% win-loss ratio, 12.25 points. Lots to be done. Our new guide is coming out probably later on this week. We have just some of the most minor adjustments we need to make to it, and that guide will be out and about for at least issue 1 will be out. We're working on issue 2, so that one's going to be a little bit later down the road. We're almost done with issue 2. And then we do have an issue 3 that has a little bit more work to be done on it. After that, Jason and I will be diving really, really deep into this new course that we have been putting together and get that ready and out. We are so excited about it. It is a 1 chart system course instead of the 3 charts, and it's going to be a very basic run on everything that we do here, but it will be able to still allow opportunities for learning at a much quicker level and a little bit more basic level. I mean, we're still going to have the course that you can come in and take the full course and learn all about how we put these things together, how to look for the extended targets, how to manage your trades a little bit differently and use those bigger charts and the smaller charts and the white BBs and those kind of things. So we have a lot coming. I appreciate everybody who's been very, very patient with us and has stuck by our sides. We are so grateful and honored that you are here with us. So I hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday. And as always, guys, enjoy the show. Alrighty, guys. Hello. Happy Tuesday. Y'all saw my Sunday night trading. I did do some trading last night too, so I don't know how much I'll do today. Love what's happened here. It's holding at this area, and it is not just pushing up, it is pushing up with some strength in those price bars. Now, we're going to want to see this BB really cut inside, otherwise what we're going to see is it just roll off and pull back down, which is a possibility, right? This could really get interesting. I'd love to see it just get back above here and keep going up. It just feels easier. I don't know why, but it does. Let's go ahead and take just a big quick peek over the larger charts. Let's start with the biggest one. Man, it pulled right. I mean, sometimes you draw these lines and it's like it was a perfect to the tick touching that line, but it's okay. It doesn't mean that it's going to stop there. We do have white weaker BBs, but I think that's going to keep pushing up. Let's look here. Ooh, it's the same thing here. It's down to that bottom Bollinger Band, white weaker BBs, but it does look like it could keep pushing up. I like the way these are popping down, but they're not falling through here. My music is way too loud in my ear. Okay, there we go. I'm going for it. It's kind of weak coming down here. Giving it 4 ticks. Oh, I'm not loving it. Yep. Just a little early, I think. It could keep coming down. Oh, is it going to roll off of here? Let me take a look at my bigger charts real quick. Add another one. Took them both. I think this is still going up. Hold on. Oh, I thought it was the 3. I'm going to take this one out. Just looking here as it's getting tiny, tiny little bars. Okay, that's gonna be it. Let's look at today versus yesterday really quick. So I've already got some of today's, oh, when I hit generate it did it. Okay, so 10 points. My first 2 not great entries, are not great targets, but managed well. Second one probably could have managed a little better. Good with the rest. Let's go ahead and put these on here. And if we look at today with yesterday, it's 22.25 for the 2 sections of trading. So let's go ahead and put that out here. Just move back to today. Look, being right behind there, we'd probably still be in this. Look at the way that's pushing up. Don't love the top Bollinger Band though, so I'm good with that exit, even if it goes up. So let's go ahead and mark those up. Now, if we want to include yesterday's or last night's, okay, well, I'm listening to some Adele in my ear, so I might be yelling in this video. I'm sorry. So that is that today. It says 54 minutes of working with it, but honestly, I probably gave the market 20 minutes of my time. That was it, 20 minutes. Guys, that's all she wrote. Most of my trading has been at night. I'm not recording when I trade at night. I did record that one day. I haven't put it back out yet. I will, I promise. I thought about that today. I promise you that'll be my weekend goal, is to get that one out from the last time I recorded trading at night. But it's a little tough to record sometimes. And I did have someone offer, I saw your message, I'm going to call you. Well, I'm going to get your phone number and we're going to talk about getting some help to get these videos out so I can spend my mind energy on other areas and have someone else get to listen through all my singing that gets to get cut out, because there's some in there. So, all right, guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap that up. I'm going to come back and do my intro after my Spanish class. So I may be wearing something different. Who knows? Anyway, it goes. I hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday. Thursdays, I don't trade anymore. I pretty much stay busy on that day. If I trade Thursday, it's at night. So Thursday's kind of like my me day, where I'm working on some meditation. I'm doing a book club. I mean, all that kind of stuff. So, all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up. I hope everybody has a fantastic Tuesday. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love spending time with you, so please like and subscribe. Also, if you want to spend a little more time with me, head on over to www.responsibledaytrading.com. Click on the Start Your Free Course and Learn How to Get Funded button and set up a time to talk with one of our traders. And before you know it, we'll be spending a lot of time together.